Hey, what up YouTube? So this is a video update of the K24 MR2. It's been running really good. I mean, no overheating, nothing crazy going on, but today I wanted to talk about the problem that we've been having, and that's it's been throwing a TPS, and we switched so many sensors. We went through, some O'Reilly sensors, 2K-tuned the V2 and the HAL. Neither one of them worked, so we just ended up calling to see if I actually installed it wrong. And this is the cast, 70 millimeter RBC PRB, so it works for both. And basically the problem is the shaft inside of there, so we're gonna take it off and send it back to them. But if anybody else has purchased this or is having the same issue, I mean, my voltage closed was about 0.32 and open was about 4.32, so I couldn't even get to the actual 4.5, and then closed, I couldn't get to the actual 0.4950. So that's basically what I wanted to discuss about that. So yeah, if you're having that problem with your car, your K-swap, and you're coming across and you can't find anything online, hopefully you see this video to let you know. Just call up Ktuned. They'll send you an application, and they'll send you a box. I'm just waiting for my box actually, so hopefully on the next video when I install it, if everything works fine, and we'll do another run through of how this car should really actually be driving, because I know we haven't really felt the full potential of it. So some people have been hitting me up and actually want to see like how the pulley is set up. So the top, like I said, it's an idler pulley off of a EP3 02 to 05. It's the same 06 to 11 as well, Civic Si, and the alternators EP3 as well. And then the water pump housing is EP3. When running the GDM K24, you can't use their water pump housing, so make sure you get that. The headers are just stock RSX to 2.5 inch piping, half shafts off of EP3, 5-speed tranny. It's going to be going boosted later, like I said in my earlier videos, so just stay tuned, and I'll see you later.